In this tutorial, we'll delve into Python dictionaries and learn how to remove key-value pairs. Dictionaries are extremely useful data structures in Python, and knowing how to manipulate them is essential. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a dictionary. We'll name it student. Now, suppose we want to remove the key-value pair age, 20 from our dictionary. We can do this using the del keyword. As you can see, the key-value pair age, 20 has been removed from our dictionary. Moving on to our second method. We can also remove a key-value pair using the pop function. This function removes the key-value pair and returns the value of the key that has been removed. Let's remove the major key from our dictionary using the pop function. As you can see, the major key-value pair has been removed from our dictionary, and the pop function has returned the value computer science, which is the value of the major key. And there you have it. We've learned two ways to remove key-value pairs from a dictionary in Python, using the del keyword and the pop function. Both methods are very useful, and their use depends on your specific needs in your Python programs. Keep practicing and experimenting with these methods, and you'll soon become proficient at manipulating Python dictionaries. Thanks for watching, happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial.